I see everybody. Everybody see me. It will be good.
Yeah.
Perfect. So we have 1 hour to make some demo about the staining technique, and I can share with you how we can stand on the bridge, and also what is the different kind of stand inside the color grow. So this is what I use inside. This is all the color we have. It's the color glow masterpiece, and for me it's very interesting. It's a very good product because you have something between conventional stains and something between Mio stains, liquid ceramic. It's just between us, and we have such good result with that. So we are going live all the time now, and I give you the solution about a stains technique for a bridge. So let's choose this kind of work. This is a bridges, and we are going to stain it. So at first I need the bridge with some wear. I got it. Preparation. I found it. Okay. This is bridge on the zircon oxide, full bridge on zircon oxide, you see. And we are going on stain technique. So first at all, I have two possibilities of glaze. I have one glaze with natural glaze and another with a simple glaze. For natural glaze, you can have such a result with the micro surface of the vestibulary of the crown, and with the glaze it's more glaze in fact, and you have more effect about brilliancy of the glaze. So first at all, for me, I just make some surface on the things. So I use at first a diamond burrs, like that. Perhaps you can be closer. Yes, better, a little closer. So this is the diamond burrs. You see? Micrometer. Let's go with this one. And we are going to make the surface, so not a line, but some dot, you know, like that. Let's have a look at the noise. Okay. There's the one. I can have a look. You see the line coming inside. So the grow is on the cervical view, not on the incisor.
Farben haben ja gar keine CE-Norm, habe ich gehört.
Was, der habe?
Keine CE-Norm.
Keine CE?
CE.
On dieses?
Ja.
No.
No?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Don't you? Possible to sell in Germany. Ay, ay, ay.
So this is my effect. Just have a look about the effect. Just to be more natural. So this is the first things for the first effect, and after we use the second one. Okay, it's enough, you know, it's very easy. It takes less than 1 minute for that. Let's go now on the glaze. So I use diluting liquid. such agate spoon. And what is interesting is also the brush. You have two brush inside with very, very nice one. So I use the glaze at first. So the glaze is all around my crown, my bridges. So it could be finished like that. You can have such a view of the glaze. You know, the same surfaces on all the things. Now I have the shade A, B, C, D. Shade A, B, C, D. So let's look here, you know, this one to this area, more yellow, more red each time. Yeah? So I just have a look of the final shade I need. I just make one to see you the difference. I start with the canine. So this is the look with or without. I don't know if you see the difference. The chroma is more now in the canine. So it starts on the cervical and dilute to incision. I use now the two. The central is a little less chroma than the canine. And the lateral is very smooth effect. So more yellow for me. If I make a difference, it looks more natural, in fact. So I make difference between one and another crown. Like that. Now I use brown between the teeth. and it's coming little more effect on it. I am on the black side. It's look little more effect. Now I use the gray blue one, and one is very interesting stand is traffic blue with really dark blue. I bring a little more because I have not enough. So that's our blue. So when I dilute only one side and not the other, because I can use on dilution one side and the other to make some dot. And for this traffic blue, I really make some dots on it. Like that. So where is my bridges? It's here. So now it's near the incisor. It's a line. I make the line on the canine. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Remember me?
Yes. But where? Where?
I meet you in the last Sirona Dental World.
Yeah.
Last year, not last.
Last year.
Last year.
Last year, yeah,
In
yeah.
the Expo in Dubai. Expo.
In Dubai, yes. Yes, sure.
You have a
Sure.
lab in France.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
And you were from?
I am from Syria, but
Ah,
in
okay,
Saudi
great.
Arabia.
You are now
Yeah.
in Saudi.
Yeah, I have one lecture with you for the 𝐘𝐷 software or like this. In,
Exactly.
Syria.
Yeah, in the attic. Yeah,
Pleasure
yeah,
to
yeah.
meet you
Ah,
again.
great, great. Me too, me too.
And
I have to visit Saudi Arabia.
Really? You
Yeah.
will visit?
No, I have to. I have to.
Please.
Yeah.
If you have
Yeah.
chance to visit Saudi Arabia and visit me, this is my pleasure.
Okay,
To,
thank
to make it good tour for
Thank you, thank you very much.
I have contact. I think.
You have my address. You
Yes.
need it? I can give you it.
I remember I have the
I give you. I give you. This is the phone. Perhaps you need my email address.
and this mobile have WhatsApp for this mobile, right?
It's a mobile, yes.
Yeah. I will contact you by WhatsApp.
Yeah, will be better.
And
Yeah.
I will take picture to send by WhatsApp to remember me and save my number.
Okay, great, great. Perfect. Do it better. Together. Perfect. You're welcome. Nice to meet you too. So let's again. So we are on the blue part. So I put now more brown. Where is the brown? Where the brush cannot be. When I brush my teeth, I have to, some area is not really well brushed. That's why I put the brown on it.
Did you see any color brown before?
In the lingual view, I also use some orange and brown. At first I put the orange, some orange inside. This is now white. White is just under the blue. And some cream on yellow to make the marmalade. Okay, some yellow between the marmalade. I see the result in each kind of light. And now I use the blue one and measure in distal area. Not directly on the incisor. This is the blue one. And I just put it on the canine and measure of the central. And now it's quite finished. So my furnace have now the good temperature. Here is the furnace. let's try to open it now. Hello. Okay, just finished now. I put on the furnace smoothly to dry it and to see the powder.
Judge the price, okay? No, just comes with different. Yes, yes. And for the machine, we have many other problems.
Take time. It's coming. So the furnace is at 300 degrees. And it's enough to catch all my effects. In fact, I don't want that the effect will be diluted. Hello from Indonesia. This is for you for Indonesia. I show you. So this is the result you see. Everything now is fixed. I can move. I have no trouble at all. Everything is fixed. And you see the powder. The powder is to see how brilliant are my crown. So now we just put that on the furnace. I just need another thing. It could be like that. Doesn't matter. It's fixed, you know. If I fix the color, no problem if it's look. I can also help me with my hand. Not enough. Okay, let's try a little more. I got it. Yes. That's not. At the end, we got it. Yes, we have it. And just have a look, you see, nothing are being mixed because I put just that before. I put on the furnace and I choose some glaze technique about 800 degrees. Those programs are good. Still line. No problem. Let's go. And it's done. I have another possibility. I have one bridge already glazed and I can correct it a little more. So let's do it. I just want to put more effect on the incisor. So it's already glazed. And I just add something without glaze. I just put the blue on it. looks great. More blue on it. Hello from Russian. Hello guys. Nice to meet you. I hope to see you perhaps directly on the booth tomorrow. Tomorrow I make many demos, or also on YouTube. So I correct it. I put some blue also on the molar, on the occlusal view. Hello. Just stands. It's different stands between conventional stands and liquid ceramic. So it's between. You can directly stands with the stands, or you can use the glaze also. Just be careful because we are on live. But no, doesn't matter. Say hello. It's a Russian guy. Hello. So yeah, this is glaze. One is more natural, so less brilliant. You can see the surface effect, in fact, and the other is more glaze. But you can also only use this without the glaze.
Together with the glaze or before?
Or together, or one or the other. Into step or only this one?
And you, what do you prefer?
For me, it's just to have a little glaze, but not too much, because I want really to have the effect on the right place. And after diluting a little, fix in the furnace, and after burn it. This is my workflow.
Me too.
Yeah.
After the normal glass.
Yes. But here is more, it's not completely, you see, it's glazed. The glaze is inside, already. That's the difference. That's the difference. And I think it's more natural. I can show you another thing. This is a full crown. I can show you. This only stand, and This is a crown. Where is it now? This is the brush. You can have a look. Just wash it, wash it. This is also result for the same crown with the same shade, more or less in fact, with effect. I think this one has a surface, rose 3, this not, and this is also more. I think young and older, yeah? Young and older. Let me show you the crown without anything. So it's a Yucera Pro Master. It's also made for a big structure. This is a zircon without glaze. I can show you. I can show you with this one. Doesn't matter this one. I can show you. First one, I use this one. Starting here. I have to see the surface, in fact. If I doesn't see, it's too much glaze on it. Here is not so bad. Not too much, yeah. Because really this glaze is very hard. You have completely a good things at the end. And now, this is A, B, C, D, in fact. So yellow to green, green, red. And it's also the same. No, sorry, here is ABC, yellow, ABC, and here is from yellow to red and blue. No? So I put all the things to know more red. Do you know the 3D Master Shade Guide from Vita? So it's exactly that. L is lemon, R is red on the shade guide, and shows the value, and after more yellow or more red. And my focus is this time like that. Does have to have more yellow or more red. So if I want to correct, I can correct here. And for me, what is very interesting is that it's not that, you know, I don't put that on my crown. You know, in 10 seconds we have something, but smooth. It's not that good. Yes, yeah, of course, yeah. And now if I want really to have the line I've made here, I take this dark blue and I put the line. With that brush, you see? It's not at the edge, it's just a line, because the edge are to look like a painting. So I'll make some blue effect, and now also in this area. I'm really in love with this, because it's really easy to use it. I have my own laboratory since more than 30 years ago. And that pencil for me is very, very nice. You see, this is the result of the blue things. And now we have also something, it's cream. So I use not white, because it's too strong.
White.
It's some white, but more cream than white, you know. And I put it between the blue one. And think about the mamelon. Now I put the yellow to put more mamelons things. And I can go on brown in this area. Once again, I can make a line, crack line. It fits very well. Easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to do it. And it looks like that at the end. So now the first thing I put is inside. Don't move it because all the things can be moved. This first impression. Yeah.
All the glass is.
Yes, but not really. No glass are opalescent. No glass is opalescent. Opalescence, fluorescence, yes. Fluorescence, yes. Because opalescence is the daylight, the light going through and being reflected. Through blue and reflect in yellow. Opalescence, exactly. Fluorescence, yes. Yes, there's
And the colors are fluorescence too.
Yes, but the glaze are fluor. The glaze is fluor.
Glass fluor.
Glass fluor.
The
Yeah.
colors are different.
I have no test. I haven't tested. We have to test it. But it's not all are completely fluorescent, I'm sure. It depends on the pigments in fact. So at the end,
This is the first filing. The first filing.
yes. No, normally it was one. It is finished. One, only one, yeah. You don't do 2, 3, no. It's finished now. You have now to put like that. Now 77 degrees, that's a little much. But what is very important is to, one brain and it's finished. One brain. Yeah. And now you see all the effects. And now I can move it. No problem at all. I can put it in this area. No problem at all. And you see now the glaze, the powder. You see now only the powder.
You block all.
Yes, or block everything with
the
it.
right
Yes,
position.
exactly. Yes, exactly. No trouble at all at the end. This is very important.
Misidranato.
Yeah. Put on for less and you have the result is here. It looks like that at the end. In one way.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay.
Perfect.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. So we have now finished the bridges. Here we are. We make a short break and we start the new presentation about the next one is about, let me see the program. It's very interesting. It's about the smile design and the mock-up creation. So I hope I see you in a quarter. Let's see the bridges just before the presentation. This is the final result bridge. I'm going closer. So let me show you the surfaces. We do it better tomorrow morning because we use another projector. For the end up, we use another projector tomorrow, and I can show you much better the effect of all the bridge we made. But it looked nice at the end. Got such a nice result. Color and effect. Let's finish polishing. In one area, I need more glaze view. In this area, I take that brush and just polish it. And it's done. Okay, like that. It's done. Just little things. Perfect. Done. So I'm preparing the lecture. The next one is about smile design and mock-up creation. So it's one of the last lecture I've made. You can see a case on it with all the workflow, with the digital smile design and all the things. So I just need some battery for the next shoot. So let's try to make a mirror. So we are going We start in 3 minutes. have your knife now.
Can I open?
Yes, yes.
We will need. What is the difference between this? What is the difference in this?
Yes, one is for diluting the glaze, and the other is for the pigment. But it's not the same because inside it's exactly the same. So one is less and more than the other. This is diluting liquid, it's normally for the glaze. And refresh liquid is for the stains.
Ah, okay.
But it's,
Same.
I think we have to ask exactly, but I'm quite sure the glass, perhaps less glycerin in one and more in another. It's only that.
Yeah, it's more glycerin. That one is less.
This one, yes, I think that's right, that's right. It's easy, just to, yeah, more glycerin than this one and less than the one. But just taste like that, you can see the difference. Less one for the glaze. But it's working both. Because at the end, it's a powder you need, not the liquid, you know?
Okay. I will ask her to sell us this one. Do you need this one right now?
Yes. Of course.
But in the last day, can we take? Can we buy?
No, you can take it.
No, buy.
Yeah. Buy it? No,
Last day.
not sure not.
Okay, I will talk. I will talk to.
Yeah.
What's the temperature for making this one?
Normally it's 760 degrees, but I bring it more higher. On 800 degrees and have such a result. Hello? The result is about. This is natural. It's also less glaze and more. It's only that. But you know, at the end when I finish, I put on the furnace to be dry, and I see the powder. And the powder say much powder, more buoyancy, less powder, less buoyancy. At the end, it's a powder. It's only liquid, but liquid it's only to dilute the things. But the powder is the thing is more important inside.
But okay, this color it's natural. It's like
It's only less glaze. Natural is for having the surface, in fact. You know, the grown line, if you have some crack or something like that. It's better, easier to do with that than that. Here is more bright. In fact.
okay. But if we have this zirconium multi-layer
Yeah,
40 Pro,
this is one.
we use this and this. It's okay.
Yeah, you can mix them.
Yeah, but I mean.
This can be on vestibular, this can be on the occlusal view and the palatinal view. You can also mix.
Okay.
You know,
This one will like.
for everything. This is a universal one. This is less buoyancy than that. This is used with this glaze.
Короче, он... Да, для разных поверхностей, типа это оптимизатор операционная, то есть всегда...
And you have here is only for this area. For this area, this is the shape A, B, C. In fact, you know the 3D master shape guy. So 3D master shape. I'm in fact a Vita trainer since now 20 years ago. And since now, but I really appreciate this list, and I think it's the better of the market because it's more than the Neo and better than the Vita or I everywhere. So this, my focus is, we have the value 1, 8, 2, 3, 4 on the 3D Master Shape Guide. And after you have the L, lemon, and red, R, red. And M it's medium. So it's value, the first things, bright or dark. When I pick the value, more yellow or more red. And I have a look and say, okay, I need more yellow or more red? And here is make like that. This is the ABC, ABCD. And here I have yellow, 2, red, and after blue. So my focus is all the time like that. 3D and glaze. I think.
Okay, but here it's
3D.
this
3D.
one.
Yeah. Normal, natural.
But did you mix it with this one?
You can
3D.
you can mix it. I can. I think one is open, no?
No, it's yes, for blocks, yes, and for premiere.
You have a.
We
You
have
have,
the catalog. We run out of our catalog. Because it's a new machine. We just yes, it's a wet machine. I can show you the PDF.
like that. Have a look. Too much forward. No, it's white. It's not good. There is too much forward. So the possibility is to put on here. Let me show you how I do it. Here we are, but it's not good. I cannot walk this. Continue. Liquid. And now is sensibility. It has to be like that. I show you how to test it and to know if you are right or not. Let's take one crown. So this is the same crown before. One test. I go very quick just to show you. So at first, try to put on it.
You know why? Because the cornea block, after you build the cornea block, there are lots of dust, you know. So it's very difficult cleaning everything. Always will bring in some dust in the machine. But when you mill we use the white
It's
meat.
easy, actually very, very quickly. Another thing is
This liquid is not only water, it's water mixed with some oils. So this kind of liquid might beat the dust, silicone dust, they will together to be very, very solid. Will destroy the spindle. Yes, that's why we never recommend our customers to use this chemical. We have this function, but we will not recommend it.
could be like that. No, not at the edge, but just because the edge has to look like a dentine.
Yeah.
Because the enterprise always says
Now,
metal.
white.
Yes, because
Not white, but it's cream.
this the enterprise, the enterprise is very small.
I put it through
Enough to write a long
too much.
thing. It's not stable for a professional enough.
So very easily, like just to show after I fix everything inside. And I also can check how big is the photo. If it's too big, I have to put more liquid. If it is not, I have to put more laser. Easy.
Для размывки цветов есть надо без цвет, который называется, короче, средний, есть цвет такой, ну, как бы средний.
The price for seat, 300.
Yeah, this one, yeah, for the chair side.
We would like to buy in the end of the edition this one. Can we buy?
One?
Yeah, but when we finish, all of them. I'll buy you three. Okay, in the end, after the
Yeah, I asked my manager.
Yeah, and they are the premium.
yeah, but we will come anyway in the last day, in the 29, and if it's not possible, I will take even use. Because we need just not too much. Thank you. Sorry.
What do you think?
But need to make it nicer.
Yeah, but what do you think about the thickness? Little big.
Yeah, little bit.
Yeah.
But need
So
to
I have
make
to dilute it a little more.
I need to
But at first,
add more of this.
yes. So at first, I'll show you how to glaze. But at first, I just put that here and see. Okay, not good.
Can you remove and make
Yeah,
normal?
I'm making more.
Что мало размешаем. Это получается, что оно
I'm sure that every kind of liquid can be good. Because it's only glycerin and water. So if you have another stale liquid, it's okay. But I have seen it,
Okay, thank you.
but I'm sure. You know, I say nothing. I'm a dental technician.
I understand. Thank you. I appreciate your help.
So let's try again. Some more. Wait.
Yes, yes.
Ну, вот почему получилось.
No, we have customers here. We have colleagues Yeah. Actually, it's also
Сказал, что здесь больше.
Where are you from?
Ukraine.
Ukraine.
But how big amount it should be?
99? Glycerin, yeah. And water is in the glycerin. Yeah. And the other product is the same.
Do you know glycerin, how big amount of glycerin here? Because how big it's like, because here on this product it says that it's 99.7.
Really, I don't know if it's written 99. I agree with what is written. I don't know. And you know it's also if you have old, liquid, or young one.
It's also
Yeah, it's also different.
Что так такую берете, мешаете, пробуете и работаете.
But it doesn't matter. You make this test and you have the result at the end. You can do that only with your correct side, not with the cut of the jaw. Not
Somebody
with practical.
forgets his box here.
Yes.
It's your box or somebody forgets?
No, it's somebody forget. You can bring it. There is no block inside.
Ah.
All my
I just want to make sure because some guy was here.
have a look.
Oh no, just you understand. I just make.
It's just my sample inside.
I just was. Okay. I just was wondering if somebody forget.
What do you think now?
But it's again.
Now it's good. No, it's good. Now you see the thickness. You see through the powder.
Okay, but
Now you are right.
yeah, but how to make it right now nice color like it's supposed to be?
The same thing that I've done. You use now this dilute. But you see, I see the surface now. You see the line?
Yeah, but it's not look like how to make it look like this.
More glaze. Also, I put more glaze. A little more. But I think here I've made an old one, so I've made no surface on it. I glaze directly. Here we have a surface. It's also how you prepare.
To compete.
I use my micro motor and make some line, and after I put the glaze, I make a young, or I don't make some line, and it's going on the own. I have the young one here. Here is the young one. Little more older.
Да, он видишь, у него поцарапал
You see?
консерватором.
Yeah, it is. This price, if you can buy 10 pieces, we can
But it's the same glaze.
you do not need to buy 10 pieces.
But it's just different how much glaze you use and it will be more
Yes,
nice.
more or less. More or less. And the surface. Here I make a surface.
Yeah, I understand. I see that you made look
And I use natural.
natural.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the
Less.
best price.
Less glaze on it. You see, it's more
Yes,
liquid.
this weekend price. Yes, the
And after that it just will be not white color, it will be like just look like
Exactly. Here it's right between this and this. And this are like that. Here, my effect is between here and here. It's between more than that and less than that.
Yes,
That's why you have to make it, because at the end you brain and you say, okay, my result is like that. Now I know exactly how you have to do the powder. You know, it's exactly, you have some powder, spray powder. Spray powder is like that. And you can also, one spray, some surface, two spray, more.
But do you sell spray here?
Those are most.
But it's basically not very necessary.
No, yeah.
Just natural. And it will be with 900 degrees.
Yes.
It will be something like
900
that.
degrees, no problem.
It will be like
Glaze,
that.
glaze.
Very nice.
Yes.
Looking.
Exactly.
Теперь начинается классно.
Exactly. That's very nice. Very nice. I have tested all the things. You know, I'm also trainer for Dentistry Barcelona. I've tested all the silicone, all the things. And really, this is better price quality for me. One of the best is the Katana. It's double the price, and the result of the shade on the initial. Here we have A2. Sometimes it's not so bad. We have to just put a little to be on the right. At many katana, you have sometimes A2, A3 or A1. It's not. So, and the hardness of this one is also the best because you have 1,300 megapascal. There is no one. So you can make all on 6 bridge on that.
But can we make on this all on 6, 14,
Yes.
14
It really depends, yes, also, but we have to be careful. Full bridge on all on 6, I talk about all on 6, not all on 4.
yeah, all on 6.
Yes, because all on 4, no zircon oxide can be so strong. It's not the strongest, it's the elasticity.
Okay, but I'll show you one draw.
You have one, yeah.
All on 6, but this is 3 here.
3 here and after, oh, yeah. It's after it depends on the occlusion. If you put the occlusion on the molar, it will be good. If it's on the canine,
You see?
in this case, yeah.
Yeah, we have empty space here. And we need to probably make
Here it's the canine or not? Here is a canine, central, lateral, canine. Canine is here. Huh? No, it's between. I say central, lateral, canine.
yeah, it's like
Central, lateral, canine. It's premolar.
but yeah, it's premolar, 2 premolar and 1 molar.
Inshallah. I don't know. It's really kind of the occlusion you have. Exactly. The things you can do. The things you can do.
You see the difference?
But you know, now we don't know exactly if it's clear or
Yeah,
not.
but it's
Normally it's no. Normally it's a young thing.
Oh. all person, 60 years old. 60 years old.
Without this such a long time or not?
Yeah, kind of long term.
Normally at this time you are like that. Because all the things are going here. So it's perhaps more like that, but not like that. I'm quite sure. That's why the occlusion. And here we are, canine, premolar, so
But,
The place
but
house,
if we will make 6 and 6, and it will stay like this 6 and 6, what do you think?
without
Either. But if we will use this and in a
look, you
inside,
you want to make 6 and after 3, no, 1 and another. No, it's not possible. You have to make a bridge.
yeah, bridge. And can we use also
It's our case because I'm quite sure here there is not enough place. You know, this view is very. You see, it's like that. So your place in this area perhaps is not. After the real case of that is to make a bar of metal, and after to put the zircon on it.
what do you think about bar from plastic steel? You know plastic steel?
No, but a Toronto bar, any kind of metal bar would be good.
I'll show you.
You have some plastic bar.
Plastic steel, it's called.
Yeah, I don't know. It's composite or.
Just a second, I'll show you
Yeah.
how.
If the bar are made for that, yes. But I think you have to have a metal bar.
Is it plastic steel? Modular?
Plastic, mono. Yeah, but you put something with elasticity and something with no elasticity on it is not good, I think.
But you see, I want to make like this, and
Yeah.
after make on top of this. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this material. So,
Well, it's
is this one? Yeah? MPR is
plastic steel.
MPR. Tecnico micro it's Italiano. Italiano.
Yeah, but
Alle spaghetti.
where are you from?
France. French.
French?
I'm French guy.
But I think it's also can be
Yeah,
made
perhaps
in,
it's better.
but it also can be made in
Yeah,
China or whatever.
It's the same thing, yeah.
Because I think it's just to find this material.
Yeah.
Do you think Yucera has similar material or not?
Yeah, it's fiber, fibre de verre in French. It's a fiber. It's not composite. It's not. It's resin and fiber on it. Like my.
Yeah, but
It's a fiber.
they say
It could be good, yeah.
they say that it's 10 times stronger than.
No, it's not stronger, but it's more elasticity. So, you can have something very strong, but it crack because if I do that, it make a crack. If you have elasticity, it's better. In fact. It's better something more elasticity than something strong with no elasticity. All zirconia are no elasticity. That's why I talk about all-on-6, but
Yeah, but
only
you see,
one
it's-
punching, one punching.
We made two of those.
Yes.
One was good,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
doctor told that he wants to try a little bit in the middle. He tried
Yeah.
when he installed
Yeah.
a little bit in the middle. He touched
Yeah.
and it's break half and half.
Yeah.
It's like 7 and 7, and it's stay right now. And patient okay, he's using and it's okay. But still, doctor still want to have a little bit strong reconstruction, and he has to make a bridge.
Yeah, I understand.
Bar.
So
And we
put a bar on it